Good morning, Princeton K. Okay, we are going to get started with our math lesson today. Today is lesson 9, so this is what your worksheet looks like today. It is 2 pages long. So you have this page, and then you have this page. So grab these 2 worksheets for me so that we can get ready to do our work together, okay? So before we get started, we are going to get ready to count the Say 10 way. We have been working on making our teen numbers. So before we do that, we are going to get our Rec and Rec out, and we are going to count the Say 10 way. After I get to 10, we don't say 11, we say 10, 1. So after I get to 10, we say 10, 1. Get ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 10. Or 2 10s. Who remembers what 210 means? What does 210 mean? 210. 210 means 20. Yeah, when we have 2 10s, like we have right here, 1, 2 10s, right? Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and 10, that makes 20. So 210 means 20. Okay? Another thing that we've been making and using during these lessons are your hide zero cards. So Princeton K, if you do not have these already, go ahead and find the video where I make these with you so that you have these, because these are super duper helpful while you are using these during our lessons, okay? So if you do not have these yet, go ahead and find the video. I'll make sure I link it in the description down below so that you can make these to have at home, because oh my goodness, I've been using these for almost every single lesson and they are super duper helpful. Okie dokie? Okie dokie. Okay, so for today's lesson, we are continuing to make our teen numbers, okay? But we are now kind of veering off. That means we're not really using the hide zero cards. We're going to keep using them because they are still a little bit of a helpful tool, but because we have been continuing to make our teen numbers and we are starting to know how and what numbers make what. So we know 10, 1 is 11. We know that 10, 2 is 12. We know that 10, 3 is 13. 10, 4 is 14. 10, 5 is 15. 10, 6 is 16. 10, 7 is 17. 10, 8 is 18. 10, 9 is 19. We are now learning that 10 and another 1 or another number make a teen number. So now we are going to be drawing pictures or circles today to help show objects that make a teen number, okay? So I want you to do this with me, so I would love for you to go grab a piece of paper and a pencil so that you can draw your pictures with me, okay? So go ahead and pause here, go get your piece of paper and pencil, and then come back, okay? Did you grab your stuff? Awesome. Okay, so the first number we're going to work with is the number 16, okay? So I'm going to write the number 16 up here. And what do we know? What 2 numbers make the number 16? We know that 10, 6 makes 16. So yesterday we worked on making dots that almost look like they're in a 10 frame, and they look nice and neat. Okay, so we're going to do that together right now, okay? So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have my dots. See how nice and neat they are? We know that I have 10 right here. I have a 5 and a 1, and I know that I have 6 16 all together. Okay, they look nice and neat. They're not all over the place. They don't look crazy. So they look really nice. Okay, so that's what I would like yours to look like if you do yours right now. Okay, up and down, nice and neat. That's what I want yours to look like. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to switch it up a little bit, and we're going to have them go on their side. Okay, so we're going to do a different number, and we're going to have them go on their side this time. Okay, so I'm going to erase mine. You can go ahead and just put yours on a different side of your paper if you have it. We're going to do the number, 14. What do we know about the number 14? What two numbers make the number 14? 10 and 4. Good job. So we need a 10, right? And we're going to do ours on the side. So just like a 10 frame, we need to go on the side. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 and 4. So I know that I have 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is what I would love for you to do also. 10 and 4, 14. Okay, but then what you're going to find on your worksheet is that it's kind of also all scattered. So we're going to also do one that also looks like that. Okay, so I'm going to erase mine, and we're going to do the number 17. 17. And I want you on your paper right now to draw 17 dots. I'm going to draw 17 dots, and you're just going to draw them all over the place, okay? So I'm going to draw 17 dots. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Just like that. 17 dots. That's it. And that's a little hard, right? Because how do we know if we have 17 dots? How do we know that we have 17? Well, what I want you to do is what we've done before is we have circled, then we know the two parts of 17 are 10, 7. 10, 7. And before, what we did when we were first doing these lessons is we were circling 10. So what I want you to do is I want you to find 10 dots, and I want you to circle 10. I am also going to do the same. There we go. So I'm going to count my dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 in my circle. Now I need to make sure that I have 7 outside of my circle because two parts of 17 are 10, 7. So I have 10 in here, then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know that I have 10, 7. Okay? So that's what we're going to be working on with our worksheet today. We're going to be making dots or circles or different shapes, and we need to put them kind of like in a blob, like all scattered, and we have to circle 10 and then make sure that we have the two parts. We have the 10 and then we have the other part, which is the other number. 10, 7 is for 17. Okay, so what I would like you to do is I would like you to get out your worksheet. I have mine out. And we're going to do the first one together, okay? So, the date today is the April, which is 4. It's the 16th, and it's 2020. Okay, so this example right here has hearts. You can draw hearts if you want for yours. And then it has 10. We know that the two parts of 11 are 10, 1. So it has 10 in the circle and 1 on the outside. So, our first one that we have here is 16. What are the two parts of 16? 10, 6. 10, 6. So that means that we're going to draw, I'm going to draw circles, or I'm going to draw dots. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I drew 16 dots. It's kind of a little hard to see. And now I need to circle 10 of them. 10, because the two parts of 16 are 10, 6. And we're always circling 10. So I need to find 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Need to make sure I circle 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I circled 10. Now I need to make sure that I have 6 on the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I have 16. If you want to do a little something extra, you can do on top of this box right here, you can do 10 plus 6 equals 16, because we have 10 in the circle. We have 6 outside of the circle. And we know that all together we have 16. Okay, Princeton K, if you have any questions at all, okay, go ahead and send me a picture or a text. If you need to call me, please do, okay? I'm happy to help you, okay? Good luck, Princeton K. You are so smart. I know you can do this. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the hard work. I'll talk to you later. Bye, Princeton K.